Good morning, friends. This is the reading test for Unit 3, Weeks 3 and 4. The North Star. Oh, look, you can see the North Star from here, Aunt Anna said to Yoli. Yoli looked up at the sky. There were so many stars. Which one is it? She asked. Aunt Anna used her phone to show Yoli a drawing of the night sky. This is a group of stars called the Big Dipper, she explained, pointing to a group of dots on the screen. And you see this smaller group over here that looks almost the same? This one is the Little Dipper. Then she pointed to part of the night sky. Look for the Big Dipper and the Little Dipper over there. Yoli looked back and forth from the dots on the screen to the stars in the dark sky until she found how they matched. There's the Big Dipper, Yoli shouted, pointing at the stars. Then she pointed again. There's the Little Dipper. Good, said Aunt Anna. Now look at the end of the handle of the Little Dipper. You should see a very bright star. That is the North Star. It is called that because it always points north. Yoli saw the bright star shining in the sky. From now on, every time I look at the North Star, I will think of you, she said. Aunt Anna smiled. And when I look at it, I will think of you. Question 1. What does Aunt Anna have to do before Yoli can find the Big Dipper and the Little Dipper? A. Show Yoli which star is the North Star. B. Tell Yoli that the North Star always points north. C. Tell Yoli why she knows so much about stars. D. Show Yoli drawings of the sky on her phone. Question 2. Read the chart below. So we have that Yoli finds the Big Dipper in the sky. Then we have Yoli finds the Little Dipper in the sky. Which one of these sentences, A, B, C, or D, would fit best in the chart? You don't have to rewrite it. I just want you to circle A, B, C, or D. A. Aunt Anna tells Yoli which star is the North Star. B. Yoli looks at the drawings of stars on Aunt Anna's phone. C. Yoli tells Aunt Anna that the North Star always points north. D. Aunt Anna says that she can see the North Star from where they are sitting. Story 2, A Parade in the Sky. In my family, we all love to find shapes in the clouds. It is the best way to spend a summer afternoon. I see a tree, I shout, pointing to a skinny cloud that branches out at the top. And that one looks just like a goldfish, says Dad. He shows us a small, puffy one. Oh, I see a rabbit, shouts Mom, looking at the cloud that seems to have long ears. The list goes on and on. A whale made from clouds swims across the sky as if in the sea. Then we see a kitten, a star, a horse. We watch the parade of clouds until the day ends. Sometimes we laugh at the funny things we see. Sometimes a cloud shape is so special that it takes my breath away. At sunset, all the cloud shapes turn pink and orange. This makes them look even more magical. I love my parade in the sky. Question 3. Read the sentence from the passage. And that one looks just like a goldfish, says Dad. What does the compound word goldfish help you know about this fish? A. How it eats. B. How it looks. C. How it swims. D. How it sounds. Question 4. Read the sentence from the passage. Sometimes we laugh at the funny things we see. What does the compound word sometimes mean in this sentence? A. Always. B. Never. C. Part of the time. D. Almost in time. Last story, watching the sunset. Alex and Kate were on a camping trip with their grandparents. They were far away from the city, so they could not watch TV or use the internet. I am bored, said Katie. Everybody is busy. Grandma is reading a newspaper, and Grandpa is cleaning up from dinner. Alex, what can we do? Kate was 7, and her brother Alex was 14. They did not like to do many of the same things, but Alex was bored here too. He told Kate, let's walk down to the beach. The beach was not far from their tent, so the walk would not have to take long. That was important because he was not sure they would enjoy it. We are going to the beach, Alex called to their grandparents. Alex and Kate walked along the short trail, and soon they stepped onto the sandy beach. Suddenly, Kate stopped. Alex, the sky looks like a painting, she said. There are no sunsets like this where we live, are there? Alex said, sunsets are everywhere, but we do not see them as much in the city with all the buildings. Kate nodded quietly. I want to sit and watch. Alex said, That does not sound like you, but fine, let's sit down. Kate and Alex sat next to each other in the soft sand. The sky above the lake was yellow, orange, and purple. The clouds seemed to glow. The sun moved slowly toward the edge of the lake. It is beautiful, whispered Kate. Yes, it is, said Alex. They both watched quietly as the last rays of sun disappeared into the ocean. Then they walked slowly back to the tent where they saw Grandma and Grandpa sitting near the campfire. Did you have fun? Grandpa asked. It was not just a nice walk. It was a wonderful walk. We went to the beach and we watched the sunset. The sky looked like a painting. It was amazing, said Kate excitedly. She turned to Alex with a warm smile. Didn't we have fun, Alex? We had a great time, he agreed. Alex looked down at his little sister and discovered that he meant it. Question 5. Read the paragraph from the passage. I am bored, said Kate. Everybody is busy. Grandma is reading the newspaper and Grandpa is cleaning up from dinner. Alex, what can we do? Which word from this paragraph is a compound word? A, busy. B, newspaper. C, cleaning. D, dinner. Number 6. What happens before Alex and Kate go on a walk? A, Alex and Kate watch the sunset. B, Alex tells Kate about sunsets. C, Grandpa asks if they had fun. D, Kate says she is bored. Number 7. Read the paragraph from the passage. Alex said sunsets are everywhere, but we do not see them as much in the city with all the buildings. What does everywhere mean in the paragraph? A, in all places. B, in most places. C, in some places. D, in no places. What does everywhere mean? Number 8, read the chart below. So we have Kate first sees that the sun is setting, blank. Now Alex and Kate sit and watch the sunset. Which one of these sentences would best go in this middle part? You do not have to rewrite it. You just circle A, B, C, or D. Okay, so Kate first sees the sun is setting. Then your choices are A, Kate says she is bored. B, Kate says she wants to sit down. C, Kate asks Alex if they had fun on their walk. D, Kate asks Alex where they can go next. So which one of these would fit best in the middle? And then your last part is Alex and Kate sit and watch the sunset. Number 9. What happens after Alex says he had a great time on the walk? A, Kate tells Alex she wants to sit down. B, Grandpa asks Kate whether she had fun on the walk. C, Alex understands that he liked watching the sunset with Kate. D, Kate tells Grandpa how wonderful the walk and sunset were. What happens after Alex says he has a great time on the walk? Number 10. Add these 4 words together to make compound words from the passage. Use only the words from the boxes and use each word only once. Okay, so you have these words for, grand, and camp, and they have to be at the beginning of your compound word. Then you have this set, parents, teen, fire, and they have to be at the end of your compound word. So you have to decide what compound word can you create with these words. So would it be for parents, for teen, for fire? Then you have grandparents, grand teen, grand fire. Your last one, camp parents, camp teen, camp fire. And you need to write them on 1, 2, and 3. All right, thanks, friends.